Hello everyone, Arlene Mendez here again, and this is the last part for today of our DIY. As you can see, both of my sides have these beautiful flowers that we did, the first one and the second one, and this is the last one. Okay, so I'm going to show you we have here the flowers, so now let's just concentrate on leaves. By the way, I already stick it here, so at least when I put it on top of this empty container I have, then it's going to be steady. So this is a body butter that I have, one of my favorites, so it's empty. What I did, I just got some rocks from my garden, so I'm going to put it here, so at least it's going to hold it, it's going to be at least heavy. So let's put this there. Doesn't have to be full, it's just half full. So let's close this, just like this. Okay, so now this is closed, so we are going to invert it. So once that's done, let's just invert, and then we have to stick this leaf. I got this also from Dollarama. So we are just going to put hot glue, and then the bottom will be sticking here. Very simple. There you go. So look, I have this, it's also part of the one that we have from the first day, so we are going to do the same thing. We're just going to put it around to cover the bottle that we have, or the empty container that we have, so nobody knows that it's just an empty container with rocks in it. And we glue it. Very simple. It just takes you, let's say, 2 minutes to do it, and then you have a really nice base. You just have to cover this and then glue it again, and there you go. So this is covered. So there you have the vase, and it's heavy, so you know it's not gonna show that it's an empty body butter container. Okay, what we are going to do, because we have lots of flowers right now, by the way, I also paint. So one of these days I'm going to show you how to paint simple ones, and these are actually flowers that's also painted here. So now let's do this. I have the leaves. You see the strings here? That's the one that we're just going to keep sticking on this container we have. So we'll just do it like this until it's like full with the leaves, and once we're done, we're going to put it in a pedestal or a small pedestal I have here, and put it on top so that will look good. We'll just keep doing this it's very pretty. I'm going to give this to my kid for her room, so at least she has some pretty colors in her room. And there you go. Until this is done, you just keep sticking leaves in it, and it's so pretty. Right now, as you can see, the colors are different fall colors. Here in North America, we are almost like heading to fall. Actually, the leaves are already falling from the tree, and it's like this, very messy. And usually we have at least between 10 to 50 bags of leaves that you have to put to clean the yard. Depending on how big your yard is, you may end up with 50 bags, but with us we're averaging like 10. So this is, and your leaves don't have to be the same size of the strings. because it will look a lot better if there's more variety, like different sizes. So let's just keep putting this, and let's concentrate first on the front, so you can see the front, and you can do the same thing at the back. Let me just, some I just put glues in it, that's why it's still a bit sticky. And you kind of just alternate the color, so at least, you know, like green, orangey, and then brown, different kinds of colors here. And I have some more leftovers here, or leaves that I haven't used yet, so on my next video next week I can still do another set of bouquets, and then after that we're going to do something else, like different things that, you know, instead of, as I mentioned, throwing away, we can do something about it, the materials that we have. And yeah, so once this is done, again, this is going to be really pretty. And look at that, isn't it awesome? And I will just keep putting all these leaves, and I am so happy that I have made 3 today, so at least you can see that I usually don't buy my decorations, even my paintings. We do it ourselves. I'm just kind of, you know, one of those people who love painting, and so that's why we just do it. And then our home is, there's lots of painting around our house, so plus the flowers. Whenever one side of our house or our room, so there's always flowers in it, like it's either artificial or the natural. I love the natural ones, but I also like the colors of the artificial flowers like this. So at least there you go. Now you can see the outcome, and I will see you again next week. Okay, so this is Arlene Mendez, and I hope you enjoyed the show today. Thank you. Bye.